We are gonna work your chest muscles today with a set of light weights, I'd say 2 to 5 max, and water. That's all you need for this workout. We're gonna start with some core integration. So bring yourself onto all fours. Line up those shoulders right on top of your wrists, hips right on top of your knees. Take a big inhale, fill, drop that belly down towards the floor. Exhale, lifting up through your pelvic floor without tucking the pelvis and zipping up from the pubic bone all the way to the bottom of the rib cage. Take that one more time. Inhale, fill. Exhale, belly pump. Now I want you to keep that inhale, exhale breath going and just start to notice the pressure of your arms down into the floor. And I want you to take a little shrug here of your shoulders up towards your ears. Engage those scapula down your back. Feel that core integration again, hugging those abdominal muscles in towards you, locking your armpits down towards your hips. And then just take a little bend of those elbows here. Just bend them straight back towards you so you feel this activation up through the front of your chest. Inhale, exhale. 2 more here. Inhale, exhale. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Good. We are going to move on to our backs. If you need to put yourself on a little bit of an incline with some pillows, go ahead and do that. Grab your light weights and shift yourself down. Use your core muscles to safely get you there. Put those feet in parallel underneath you. Open up those chest muscles wide. And then find your breath. Inhale, exhale. And then we're gonna start to press those arms overhead. Now I have 2s. A heavier weight would be nice here. 5s, 8s, maybe 10s. I know I said 5s at the beginning of the workout, but for an overhead bench press like this in this position, most of us can usually handle a little bit extra weight. Coordinating this with your breath. We're gonna take 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna roll off of that position and we're gonna head into some push-ups. So I want you to inhale at the back end, exhale as you come forward. Belly is wrapping and hugging up the front of your body. Feeling those chest muscles turn on. That's where you should feel this. You shouldn't feel this through your arms. You shouldn't feel it in your lower back. I want you to really focus on those pec muscles, front of the body, that engagement of your scapula down your back. Give me 2 more. Last one. And then we're gonna come back onto our backs again. Grab your weights and go back into those presses. Big breath in, exhale, press. Parallel those feet underneath you. Coordinate your breath. Open up the chest and shoulder muscles. 3 more. 3, 2, and 1. Back into those push-ups. Rolling yourself over. Setting yourself up. Child's pose at the back. Relax your core, relax your pelvic floor. Exhale. Find those chest muscles at the front as you zip and hug that abdominal wall up towards your midline, up towards the ceiling. Feeling that full canister turn on and wrap and support this movement. Try to keep your shoulders out of your ears. Take 2 more. Last one. Great. Take a big breath in. Relax your core, relax your pelvic floor. We're gonna get ourselves up to standing. Take your weights with you. Whew, take a moment to breathe. And then use that core or that belly pump to get yourself up. Okay, we are gonna flip those palms up towards the ceiling, and we're just gonna take that press here. So arms are out, really focusing on the engagement of those back muscles. Keeping your chest open so we don't round forward as we go in and out of this. Neutral pelvis, glutes are off. Might have to give a little jiggle there to make them turn off. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You're gonna open those up into a low V, and then you're gonna use your core to draw them up into a high point. Shoulders down your back. Coordinate your breath. Take these at your own pace. Slow them down if you need to. 3 more. 3, 2, and we're gonna do both those sets again. Ooh, feeling those chest muscles. Find your breath. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, low V to high point. Low to high. Use your core. 4 more. 4, 3, almost there. 2, and last one. Awesome job. Grab yourself some water.